In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a standout business card using Canva. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone looking to make a memorable impression, a well-designed business card can be a powerful tool. Let's get started and explore how easy it is to design your own business card with Canva. First, you'll want to open Canva, so let's head over to the main menu. If you haven't already, you can do this by simply navigating to the Canva website or opening the app on your device. Once you're in, you'll notice an array of options available to you. Canva is known for its user-friendly interface, so even if you're a beginner, you're in the right place. Next, direct your attention to the search engine prominently located in the middle of your screen. It's a powerful feature that allows you to quickly find what you're looking for amidst Canva's vast library of templates and designs. In the search bar, you'll want to type business card. As you type, you'll see a variety of choices pop up, each representing different styles and design themes for business cards. This is one of the great advantages of using Canva. It's packed with design templates that cater to various tastes and professions. Now, once you've entered business card in the search bar, you are presented with a multitude of design options. Here, you can browse through these templates. They range from minimalist and modern to vibrant and artistic, ensuring there's something for everyone. Take your time to explore these options, paying attention to how the colors, fonts, and layouts resonate with your personal or business brand. This is your chance to get creative and think about how you want to present yourself or your company to the world. Remember, your business card is often the first impression people will have of your brand, and just like that, we're done. With Canva, designing a business card is straightforward and requires no graphic design expertise. You can further customize your chosen template by adding your name, business logo, contact details, and social media handles. Don't forget to revise your details and layout, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned and designed to your satisfaction. Once you're happy with your design, Canva makes it easy to download your card for printing or share it online. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to create your own business card using Canva. It's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to make their mark professionally. Don't hesitate to dive in and experiment with different design elements until you find the one that's just right for you. Thanks for watching and happy designing!